Hello YouTube, Smart was with another video, and I'm here to talk about why I'm a bass head. That's because I just prefer bass over everything. I mean, I do like to hear the words in the songs. I do like to hear the clarity. Then I do like my system to be a little bit on the quality side, but that's why I have not rushed to get no tweeters and no 6x9s and no high and mid speakers, and don't have an amp for my highs and mids. I definitely could probably use that, but it's not no rush for me right now. I'm enjoying my system more than I ever did in my life. I done had plenty of sound systems in cars, but never like this, where I can hook up the extra battery, and we still got another radio to come, so our last days are going to be with this radio, so get ready. We still going to have to do one final demo with that one too, of course, but not today though. Today will be a demo also, of course, but yeah. And I like to bring up like my boys, Ronnie's car. He's got a very, very good quality system. He's got like Dynamac and good highs, 2 amps, crossover and all that stuff. Now, if you want a good example of a quality system, go over to his channel, But I'm not the quality system type of guy, I'm just a straight bass head, And what I mean by bass head, you just want to just hear bass. That's it. I just love bass, man. Bass is like my drug, But let's go ahead and check out some bass, But thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate all of you.
Y'all know what the fuck is going on, man. Flow so brim, 5'9" prime time, upstate heavy hitter. Zo boys. On my apes, they gon' say filet-o-brim, on my apes, they gon' say filet-o-brim is 5'9", prime time, who the fuck is them? Talking about, man. It's Young Mal on the track. Villa Boys ENT. BOS. Whole lot of gang shit, nigga.
That was a nice song. That was a nice song. You know, it's like every time I'm starting to find, you know, better music with the non-copyright artists, you know. And, you know, I gotta honestly say, you know, a lot of these songs do bang. And you guys gotta sometimes just let me know what y'all think about the songs, you know. I just be wondering, do y'all like the songs or not? But, you know, thank you guys for watching, like always. You know, if you like the video, like the video. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.